Hi, my name is Madison Nichols. I'm the Garfield County President. Today, I'd like to show you how to make an envelope back pillowcase. Envelope back just means that it has a slit in the back to make it easier to change. This is good if you want to change for different holidays or themes. Today we'll be using a 16-inch pillow form, but the pattern does show you how to change it for different sizes. To make our pillow, you will need a 17 by 17 inch square and two 17 by 11.5 inch rectangles. For the first step, you will take one of your rectangles and press under 1/4 inch and then 1/2 inch on one of the long sides. You can measure this by either using a hem gauge or a seam gauge. Today, I'll be using a seam gauge. So you'll get your 1/4 inch. And then you don't have to constantly measure, just check on it every once in a while. And then for your 1/2 inch. And you will do this to both of your rectangles. So now that it's pressed, you're going to sew along this edge of your hem on both rectangles. So after you've sewn your hem, you're going to pin right sides together with your hem towards the middle. And always make sure that your fabric matches up on the outside edges. Our rectangles should be overlapping because that's what creates our envelope back. So once you have them like this, you're going to pin all the way around and then sew all the way around this with using a 1/2 inch seam allowance. So now that we've sewn all the way around the pillow, we're going to clip our corners. Now we're going to turn our pillowcase. Next, we're going to insert our 16-inch pillow form into our pillowcase. I personally enjoy the envelope back pillowcases because you can trade them out for different holidays and themes. And with your pillow form, it may seem a little tight at first to get into your pillowcase, but you just have to work with it, and then it may take a second to get the corners just right. So this is what your finished pillow should look like. We would love to see pictures of pillows that you make at home using this pattern in the comments, and the pattern is included with this post. Thank you for watching.